Hey there, fam. Welcome to the mind-altering zone, where we're about to dive into a psychological hack that's hotter than a jalapeno in a sauna. Get ready for some brain-boosting comedy, because we're about to unleash the secrets of focus and productivity. Buckle up, people. Picture this. You're sitting at your desk, staring at that never-ending to-do list, and your brain's like, nah, let's check Instagram instead. Now, before you start thinking, whoa, Trevor, are we cooking spaghetti or what? Hear me out. This Pomodoro thing is like having your own personal trainer for your brain. Here's how it works. Set a timer for 25 minutes, known as a Pomodoro. During this time, give your undivided attention to your task. No distractions allowed. Once the timer rings, take a short break of 5 minutes to recharge. That's right, people. These breaks are your guilt-free hall passes to stretch, dance, or do whatever keeps you from turning into a zombie. After completing 4 Pomodoros, you earned yourself a longer break to celebrate your epic achievements. Now imagine the feeling of crossing off those tasks, one by one, like a boss. The Pomodoro Technique is the secret sauce to beat procrastination, keep your energy high, and maximize your brain's potential. So, my friends, embrace the ticking tomato, let the power of the Pomodoro Technique save your day, and watch your productivity soar like a majestic eagle with laser eyes. Thanks for joining the comedy-licious journey today. If you had a good laugh and learned something new, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more mind-altering adventures. Until next time, keep those Pomodoros rolling and remember, laughter is the ultimate productivity hack.